Okay, hello everyone. This video is just for you to know what you are going to do in the reading section of the guide. So first you have a reading that is about how to boost yourself and how to take the best out of you and also out of someone else and how to be a leader. So after reading this, you're going to read it 3 times at least. The first one, as you know, is to get familiar with the reading. The second one is to point out to specific information. And the third one is for you to verify the information. So after that, you are going to take out 15 infinitives and you are going to write the usage depending on how it is going to and how it is used. And then you're going to write 5 WH questions with their answers. Try to make difficult WH questions. And then you're going to have a table in which you're going to write 4 principles and a brief description that you're going to create for each of the principles. You're going to take the principles out from the reading. And the next part is answer some questions about the reading. For example, how to be a leader, what is like to be a leader, etc. And the last activity for this reading is to create an infographic. This is maybe the most difficult part, but also the most entertaining, I guess. You will have to watch a video about what is an infographic. You have here the links, and also you will have to go to the websites that you have here, or if you know about other websites in which you can create infographic, that's okay. Then you are going to post the link or the image of the infographic in the Facebook group or in the platform that you have with your teacher, and in my case in the Facebook group. And the infographic must contain relevant information and images for you to understand the reading just by looking at the infographic. So also, before doing this, I recommend you to watch the other video that I made about the grammar notes of lesson 4. Then we have here the rubrics that we're going to follow to evaluate your infographic. Here we have grammar, coherence, synthesization, usage of target structure, creativity, punctuality, and ability to convey the ideas. And that's all for the first reading. For the second reading, which is Home Office of the Future, you're just going to read it. Then you have the tasks. The first one is to answer some questions. What is the difference between will and going to, and other questions regarding the reading. But the point here is, and then you have the other task is that you will have to go over the reading again and look at the words that are in bold, and you are going to think first what is the meaning, then compare it with the dictionary, and then create your own definition, and that's what you are going to write here. And you have here 6 exercises of those ones. And then the last activity for this reading is to create a video. In the video, you are going to talk 3 minutes about home office for the future, and you are going to add the target structure, the pattern to plus infinitive, going to, will, present continuous for future, and all the grammar notes that we have studied. And then you have the rubrics in the same document that we are going to follow to evaluate you. That's all. Thanks for your attention and have a nice week.